Damn, miss. You got one.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Let me start this up. What up, what up? Trade.
What's going on?
Yeah, you hear me fine?
Yeah, man. Morning.
Is that Michael again?
Yeah, it's fine.
Lit. Man, came home late yesterday.
I
So
was just gonna say you must be tired.
I am tired, bro. Yeah. Sorry to stream a little late today, but it's alright. Nothing much happened. We didn't miss anything. We missed like what? One 30-minute candle? That's a big 30-minute candle.
It happened too.
But like I wouldn't have taken selves anyways if I even wanted to.
Yeah, it's still bullish.
Yeah, like, I wouldn't have taken the trade. To be honest. So it's all good. Nothing happened there. Lit. What's up, YouTube? What up? Yeah, so stream started a little late today, but tomorrow we're back on track at 6:30. Okay, this is the first time looking at the charts since Friday. Hey man, I got into a short from 139.38 and boom, I am out. Nice. 139.38 right here. That's about. Oh yeah, you got as it broke the lows, I'm guessing. So that's about 20 pips. Nice. You think I enter again or should you stop for tomorrow? Well, what do you think, man? If you took one trade today on a Monday, what do you think is the best thing to do right now for yourself? If you just caught 20 pips today on a Monday, what would you do? You know,
Okay.
it's all up to you. Like you can't really ask me that question. Like, well, what it's like, what do you want to do? Like,
Maybe taking one more trade.
yeah, like, it's up to you. Me, I'll be done for a day. After one trade like that, I'm done. Because you don't have to take 2 trades per day or 3 trades per day or whatever it is your minimum is. You don't have to take that. If you took one trade and you caught some pips, then you can call it a day after one trade. There's no need to enter another trade, especially on a Monday. It's the same short, nice 20 pip move. Yeah, the shorts are nice out there. Broke the 1 hour low here, but I don't think I would. Actually, 4 hours bearish. Daily can close bearish too. We have a high chance of maybe coming down this week. So the weekly is like still bullish, right? But we might be making like a lower wick for the week, right? So maybe you can come down to, I don't know. Looking at this, this support right here is very weak for me because the price broke above resistance here. So now it has to come down to make support, but the support is very weak. So I'm like, we have a very high chance of price breaking the support this week. But you know, obviously until then, until we break the weekly lows, we're obviously still bullish. But like, I'm saying we could come down to like this week, like 138, 500 before we actually come up, or if we even do come up, right? Because if we break the support here, we're gonna come all the way back down to like 135, and then so on, right? So yeah, it's kind of like right now they close bearish. I'll consider taking nice sells because today it looks like we can come down to like potentially 138, 720 around this area here. So yeah, I wouldn't mind selling today actually. Yeah, that sell was actually nice. Clean move. So next sell opportunities for you will be breaks below the support here, coming down to like probably the next support down here, which is gonna be these levels. That's kind of choppy now. I consider these levels can probably come down to. You can catch another like 22 pip move, so it's not bad. We have some opportunities today. After below that will be coming down to the support down here. So yeah, you have levels today. We have targets today, so not bad. If we do break the highs though, let's see. If we form support here and we come back up in the range, I'll look for buys above probably above these levels here. Above here. That'll be your next buy opportunities. How do I?
Yeah, I took one trade above those levels, but then I had broke even earlier.
Yeah. How do I change color? Yeah, probably above these levels. Look for buys. Use the wrong tool here. There it is. Hey guys, Monday stream got taken down. I mean, Friday stream got taken down because it was a lit stream, you know. But it was alright. If you're there, you're there. If you know, you know. It's one of those ones. If you know, you know. If you're there, you got the pips. You caught the entertainment. It was lit. So, but if you weren't there, then sorry. That stream will never be up ever again. Thanks, amigos. Yes, it was better to glad and go on to enjoy. Yeah, man. Like you took a one trade today before 7 a.m. Man, your day is set, man. 20 pips, bro. That's 20 pips on point 10. That's $20. First of all, 20 pips on like let's say for example, let's say you're a part-time worker, right? Or a full-time worker, and you're a part-time trader. I mean, right? Let's say you took a point 10 lot today, and you caught 20 pips. Let's say you got in at 6:30, got out at 7. Within 30 minutes, you made $20. That's like about $42 an hour. You just made $42 an hour, working 1 hour pretty much, right? So pretty much $22 in 30 minutes. So you're done. Like you don't have to make your full-time salary within a day. Like if you're a part-time trader just starting up, or just a new trader, like that's gonna add to your, your income slowly. And just if you just do the same thing every day, like every week you're gonna have some extra dollars, and with the extra dollars, let's say within a whole month, let's say you make $22 a day trading. So that's like in 5 days, that's like $110. Or you can pay off that's 1 week times 4. That's $440. So you can make. Wait, is that right? That's not right. 22 times 7 times 4. Oh yeah. Wait, what? 22 times 5. My bad. 20 times 5 times 4. Yeah, so 440. So with 440 within a month, you could like. Where's everything gulag coming? Whoa! 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 Where is this coming from? Whoa!
That's a good question.
Whoa! Whoa! I gotta mention again, guys. If you guys are talking about Raja over here, we are actually on very good terms. I have proof here, so let me play the proof.
One guy, he said that Controller FX says like bad things about me. I went to his stream, I saw his like things over there, and I liked it.
There's no copying. Whoa, stream. Whoa, YouTube. What's happening? I played the clip too many times. You just said you copy him. I don't copy him. First of all, our trades are different. So you can't say I'm copying this, I'm copying that. It doesn't make any sense. You can't copy trades, trade by trade. Gulag. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yo. Hey, bro. I love the clout, bro.
Yo, what's up with the hate, yo? Like all love. Come on, yo.
He gave you a compliment.
It's early.
Hey. I woke up at 7 in the morning.
I marked this chart up without looking at anything. There's no copying. I don't get it. Learning from both of you is the
You can
same.
still learn from other traders. Like we learned from them.
Hey, all I'm
Nah,
saying,
bro,
bro.
like-
All I'm saying, bro. I'm not disrespecting no one on the stream, so I never. First of all, I never paid for Raja's course, right? So, I'm not on his market fluidity, whatever it is. Second of all the trades to take are different, and you can check this all my streams from last week. All the trades are different.
It's April.
I might have more trades. I might have taken more trades than him last week. I don't know, but hey. Yeah, all I'm saying, bro. Is we caught some pips last week, and you can go to his stream and whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying? But hey, all I'm saying is there's no copying here. Your beats are better. Hey, bro, these beats, bro, are copyright free music. Shout out to YouTube. Gulag people, thank you. With disrespect from Raja. Hey, you Gulag people could go stay in. Yes, I know the Gulag came from, bro. Gulag came from Warzone, first of all. So like that's not his thing. It came from Warzone. But hey, if you want to call it his thing, call it his thing. I play Warzone too. Hey, all I'm saying though, this is all I'm saying.
Yeah, I'm in Warzone right now.
All I'm saying, I have Raja on Warzone, and his KD is a 0.37. So I don't want to hear no gulag. He goes to the gulag more often than me. So hey guys, he has a 0.37 KD on Warzone, and so I don't want to hear about the gulag, right, guys? Hey, bro, I'm just saying, bro. Wix win rate is lower. Lose money on the street. Hey, I don't know, bro. I respect the Roger though. He's a great guy. Hold on. What's happening over there? How did my name get mentioned? Let's see here. Roger, control FX is making fun of your KD on card. Oh my god, bro.
Really?
There goes in streaming from the live guy, Roger. I'm gonna go message there. Let's see what's happening. It's stuff out here, gang. Hey, bro, appreciate all the support coming into the streams, bro. I love all the hate that's coming out of nowhere. I love it, but you know, we all do our own thing here, and you know, if you catch value here, then enjoy it. If you catch value over there, then enjoy it. But like every stream has their own value, so yeah. All I'm saying is there's no disrespect to Raj or anything. That's what I'm saying. There's no beef or anything. I don't know what you guys are talking about. You guys come to the stream just trolling this and that because you guys, you know, the Forex industry is just so toxic. You know, everyone just loves to come in and just start shit. But hey, I'm just trying to catch a 20 pip move coming down to this support, guys. That's all I'm trying to look for. Call a different trade. Just kidding, boy. Hey, bro, you can check all the streams. All our trades are different. You know what? You know what, guys? Let's look for some proof. Alright, let's see. Let's go on a Wix don't live stream. Alright. Oh no. Let's go on Monday. Let's go on Monday stream or something. What was Monday? Last Monday was the 10th. Alright. Hold on. Before I do this, let me call Jimmy up actually, because he's gonna have fun.
Oh yeah, he definitely is.
Yeah, everyone, tag Jade, tag Jimmy.
Alright, hold up. How do y'all lose that?
Alright.
Alright,
Let's see Monday stream. On the 10th. Alright, let's see. What do you got here? You have this. So, this is his chart from Monday. Let's check my streams.
Good morning.
I should start my streams before him.
I should start my streams. Having a great day so far. We're all awake. Looks like GPGPY did a little bit of.
Might get copyrighted actually. I don't know if it's gonna work out. Okay, let's check 10th. So this is my stream, blah blah. You know, you have a nice intro on my streams. You know, you don't really have a nice intro or anything, but hey, it doesn't matter. All value is value, right? So let's say you go over here. I took one sell, -2 pips. I even put timestamps. First of all, I put timestamps. So I'm like the first trader to ever put timestamps on the streams. The first streamer, because like a lot of streamers out here don't put timestamps, right? So that's something I do. First of all, let's see. So he ended the day his stream with -11 pips, right? On Monday. I think I ended my stream with one trade, 2 pips. We just lost 2 pips that day. So how, you know, I don't get it, bro. Everyone has their own analysis. Everyone has their own trades. So let's go to Tuesday. Let's go over to Tuesday. You know, let's go over to Tuesday here. Is my stream health okay? Okay, my stream's fine. Let's go over to Tuesday, bro. Tuesday is the 11th, right? So the 11th. Let's mute the audio so I don't get copyrighted. So let's go over to Tuesday. Tuesday is the 11th. And we ended the day with 10 pips. Cool. He ended the day with oh, negative 8 pips and 10 pips, right? And if you look at his, I don't know where he took a trade. Let's see right here. Took the first trade right here. He took buys right there, I guess. 8 pips. We took buys over at 7:15 a.m. So 7:15 a.m. would be, what time is it? 7. So breakdown. Then take the buys. Drill candles. We trade somewhere over here, and we actually closed it, right? So we closed at 10 pips, and he didn't close at 10 pips. I'm guessing, or some, I don't know what happened here, but you know, we ended the day with 10 pips here. So, you know, hey, that's Tuesday for you guys, all right? So let's go over to Wednesday. Wednesday,
lost because he lost.
Wednesday is the 12th. So let's go on Wednesday. Cause hey, people are coming here saying I cop. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do here.
What is he getting out of this? Like,
Nah, they're just trolls.
They're trolling, but like, hey, I'm gonna use this opportunity to show people that, you know, we don't copy over here. So, what's this? This is Wednesday. Wednesday we actually took 2 trades, 10 pips and negative 8 pips. So let's check out his Wednesday. Let's go over to Wednesday. Cool. Wednesday, negative 6 pips. So, how you know, like, we're all taking different trades here. I don't get it. We're all taking different trades here. What is this? 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, like, we're all taking different trades here. How consistent is this trading style? It's just there's no copying. It's impossible to copy. We are glue lovers, chill, sub boy. Your stream's awesome, man. Ignore it. You lose 2 pips because of late entry. You lost because he lost. Stop comparing yourself to him. Are you copying his trades? Man, a lot of teacher in the world teach 1 plus 2 but 3, but the difference is register student coming shitting over here that you teaching the same shit. You get the fuck out of here. Focus on yourself, bro. Don't worry about all this. Hey, bro, I don't care about all this stuff, bro. I'm just using this opportunity, you know, as people are coming to my streams, telling me I copy this, copy that. I'm just showing you guys that there's no copying, but that's all I'm gonna say. It's not like I'm hating on Raja or shitting on Raja. This is stupid, but anyways, continue. Hey, bro, I'm not gonna continue. I did what I did. But yeah, bro, I can't even take my cells anymore. I was too distracted to do.
I was gonna say the same thing.
I can't even take my cells anymore. I was gonna take a cell here as the 15-minute here. Oh, 15-minute here had a little Wickfo move. If you guys haven't done it yet, go check our Instagram page. You guys understand what a Wickfo and how it works. Let's go on the Instagram page. There we go. Put that up as well. Love the clout. Alright, cool. Mod, bro. If you came from Roger Stream, you are doing a great job providing free ads. Thanks for that, man. Appreciate it, bro. What's up?
It's all love, yo. I don't know why people.
Hey, it's all love, bro.
I don't know why people coming.
Hey, but like, what part of the stream did Roger say that? Cause I want to see. Hold on.
Oh no, I think someone mentioned her name and then he just ended up typing that out. That's what that was.
Oh, he typed it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone even mentioned me in front of his KD. This guy's a loser.
I didn't make fun of KD. It's not jokes. That's obviously all fun games. Why didn't you take a cell? Because I was. Even if I did take a cell here, I would have got entry. But I was too distracted with all these gulag people coming from Raja's stream over here. This is what he said. man, run ad. Let's get some money. Let's get it. Oh wait, I didn't monetize this, did I? There it is. That's weird. Bro, first of all, I woke up today, you know, started to stream late. I'm like, okay, cool. Probably started to stream late. We're not gonna make shit today. Have much viewers because the stream started late, right? Can you start my stream at 6:30? But you know, hopped on and just to find out that we got people come on from a different stream here spazzing in the chat this morning. Like, how do you have this much energy in the morning to go on a different stream and just spaz out? Man, that just shows you guys, yo, your focus, guys, is not trading, bro. Your focus is to troll.
Yeah, man, the priorities are different.
You have different priorities. We are not the same here, you know.
Entirely different.
Like that shit.
Like, I put up an ad and a bunch of them left, so you know, all the you know, whatever people are leaving now, so it's fine. You know, I can put another ad if I want to right here. I just put another ad. So like, yeah, like leave the stream if you're from, like, you know, if you come here spazzing and just, you know, saying stupid shit. But
Get this ad, boy.
yeah, bro. Anyways, yeah, I was thinking GG sells below 139 to 174, guys, because if you look at the day candle, we are looking at, we did close bearish here, and we have a very high chance of potentially coming down to the next support down here, because this candle closed bearish at resistance. Then this candle right here, if you look left on GJ, we have a very clean traffic on the left here coming down to the support. So high chance of us coming down here. You have like another, like, probably like 20 pip range coming down to the support. And if this support, because this is very minor support, your next like logical heavy resistance support is probably gonna be this level right here, looking left. So you have to keep an eye on this area. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take a sell once we break the support coming down to these levels here. I think the 30-minute count's gonna close here, and I think we have a wick fill in it as well. Let me check. Yeah, we do. The only issue we have in this candle is that we barely have a top wick here on this candle right here. That's the only issue I have in this trade. If we had a bigger top wick, I'd be more comfortable taking the trade, but there's no top wick here. Why people see trolling control FXY stream, but you need to get life, blah blah. Why he's just doing a Raja? I'm not a student of Raja. I never paid for his stuff, but I respect the man. It's not like I'm disrespecting him. I respect the man, you know. But I'm not in his market fluidity. I'm not in any of his shit or any of Ted's stuff. But I respect the man, you know.
Simple as that.
I am a student of Controller FX over here. This is my website, guys.
Work hard on it too.
Might close above that support line right there.
Bad. Yeah, anyways, guys, 30 minutes about closing in a minute here. We have a very high chance of coming down to this next support down here, once we close bearish here. So obviously, if you do close bearish here, so because this is like the first 30-minute candle, the hourly candle, right? Meaning that if this is a low for the hourly, price shouldn't break this high if it wants to drive down, right? Because think about it. If this is the new, this is the hourly candle right now, right? And since it didn't close it, you can't really tell what the hourly high is, but you can anticipate it based off of previous candles that closed. For example, this 15-minute candle closed, that's the hourly high, or the 30-minute candle closed, which is also this high, right? So price shouldn't break this high if it wants to drive up here. So yeah, let's see. You have clean traffic looking left here. You have below this area, you have like clean traffic come down to the support here. So you also have many advantages as well, where you could probably move your stops to entry as price comes down to this support down, this minor support down here. So let's see. Oh, it closed there. Damn, no top wick here. So look, this kind of has no top wick, guys, right? So the only issue I have here now is when this kind of opened up, it came straight down, meaning that it's making a low wick for price to maybe drive up. See what it's doing right now. So thing is, the 1 hour is still open. The 1 hour has a top wick, like a minor top wick, but 30 minute doesn't have a top wick. See now it's making a top wick right here. See how it just flipped bullish? So I'm gonna wait till this kind of comes back down to break these lows to take another sell, because once it comes back down to break these lows, we're gonna have a very nice top wick, and we could potentially come down like this. It'll come like that. Why can't I draw this candle? Like this, pretty much. Once this candle flips bearish, because now we have a top wick. That's your top wick. So it's good that GJ came up with that on that candle. Your chart's like exactly the same as his, less viewers mean you're getting started with I got started back in March, bro. Been doing the streams since every day since March. Your chart's like exactly like him? Man, this is just called tradingview.com, bro. Tradingview.com provided these charts for me. So I don't know, bro. I've been using TradingView since I started trading back in like early last year, 2019. Yo, someone said, bro. Oh my god, bro. Someone said, yo. So remember when I said I was gonna I forgot to monetize the streams today? Cause I monetize them every day, right? But I forgot to monetize it today. Someone's like, yo, that freak copied your analysis and he monetizes it, bro.
Wow.
Oh man. No one has a monopoly on yeah, like no one has like ABC in price action, or you know, people have their own way of trading. Like, yeah, people need to grow up. Yeah, facts. Like, hey, bro, my chat was never this toxic until a bunch of other people came here. But you know, last time this happened though, people actually started to message me like, yeah, I like your streams better than Raja, this and that, whatever. I'm like, okay, cool. Like, I have no issue with that. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh, Raja's shit, this and that. Like, nah, bro. All respects to Raja. But people are just dumbasses coming here just wanting to start some beef, wanting to start like just toxic shit for no reason. Doesn't make sense. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to sell here, guys. On this candle here. My stop's gonna be up here for an 8 pip stop above this high. So above this high 8 pip stop, and my TP is gonna be around these targets. Because if you look left on GG 1 hour candle time frame, we're breaking below these lows here. So we have like we broke the support, 30-minute close below, and this candle right here is breaking these lows here. So look left, we have no traffic coming down to like minimum this target. So when price gets down on this target, you guys don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move my stops to entry, make it a risk-free trade, and then let the target go down to this 138.950. So yeah. And if you guys know what I mean by advantages for me is just points where I can move my stops entry or close half at. Like that's what I mean when I say advantages. And if you guys done my shoes long enough, you guys will understand. Yeah, stops is like 9 pips here, and target is actually 9 pips here, and target is about 20 pips, 18 pips on the trade. Stops are up here, guys, because if you do break these highs here, we have a very high chance of coming back up to the range, right? Because like if you look left, like think about it from our perspective. If you're taking a sell here, if you didn't take a sell here and price broke above these highs, what would you do? Price has a very high chance of coming up to like these targets. Look left, you have this one clear counter here. So that's why my stop's up here, because if price does break this, we're gonna go way further up here, and you want to reduce your stops as much as possible. Those are gonna shut down traders. Yeah, bro. Looks into the downside. Yeah. Looks clean off of the 1 hour, especially. 4 hours also bearish, right? Left from the 4 hour time frame. We have we're breaking the support here. We have a very high chance of coming down to the target, which is down here on the 4 hour time frame. And you guys understand, you guys see how it lines up with the daily time frame as well. Where pretty much TP for us is pretty much at the support down here of this daily candle here. So it lines perfectly with that support. It's only an 8 pip stop too, so it trades in our favor here. Alright, let's go through today. Man, yo, you know, I feel bad for Jimmy, bro. He's not here.
Yeah, he said he had to get his Wi-Fi fixed.
Fuck.
Where's Sam at today?
I don't know. Like all these guys are missing all the action today. Wow, it would've been funny with them on, both of them on.
Yeah,
Definitely with Jimmy. Definitely.
100%. If Jimmy's on the trail, we would be way funnier this morning. I want to see what he would have said though. That's the thing. I think Sam's coming. He just read a message.
You know what it is? It just takes one guy to mention a name, and then everyone else jumps out.
Is that what happened? Like I don't know what happened. What happened?
No, I'm not sure what happened, but I'm just saying that's all it takes, right? Someone mentioned a name.
Yeah, and it's the whole like obviously he has a bigger I guess fan base, whatever it's called, a bigger crew, whatever. So it's like obviously you can have like a lot of people.
I think I had read one of the things that said someone go on his page and give him some hate. So that's when you get all those people jumping on your stream for like a quick minute to say all that.
I think that Raja made his comment in jest. However, all I want to say is good luck. Let me best wishes. Hey, bro. Good luck. Yeah, but the thing is, like, Raja always jokes around and stuff. So, like, I guess like people, I guess people who are just like the trolling guy people, trolling type of people that watch the streams, they take it like they know it's a joke, but they just use it to troll. Like they get some excitement out of it, right? So they obviously just wanna add to the yo.
Ooh.
Yeah, so don't like so you can get out the trade if the 15-minute breaks the high here. I'm gonna probably get out the trader. With I'm gonna come a lot short instead of losing 8 pips. I'll lose only 4 pips on the trade. Because if we're breaking the 15-minute highs here, think about it. If you break the 15-minute highs, right now up here, we have a very high chance of coming up to the 30-minute high. So that's like half of the pips too. That's like 4 pips. So you obviously want to keep your losses short, right? So yeah, if the 15-minute counter here, A, either breaks the 15-minute high, or B, closes bullish, I'm gonna exit the trade. I'm gonna look for an opportunity later on. But it's all about, you know, keeping your losses short here. But yeah, see how I'm not thinking, or I'm not thinking of like the profits I'm gonna make. I'm thinking of what do I do if price doesn't go my way. So I'm trying to reduce my losses. That's more important than you trying to
Risk management.
extend your wins, I guess. You always gotta find the best way to keep your losses short. Yeah, so on this candle here, this 15-minute candle, I was expecting like for us to get a wick flow here coming down to the support like this. And then so this wick, right? Because this wick is just the range. And yeah, I'm getting out the trade here, guys. We broke the 15-minute highs as I mentioned. So close here at -4 pips. Yeah, but on this trade here, I was expecting us to get a wick flow here, and then eventually coming down to respect the 1 hour clean traffic down below here. But we're breaking the 15-minute highs now, meaning that now we have a very high chance of coming to the 30-minute high, and then so forth. Yo, what up, bro?
What's up?
Bro, you just missed
Oh.
you just missed a shit ton of shit, bro. Like I wasn't expecting this on Monday.
Cap.
Bro, go back on the streams, go back like 20 minutes or some shit. Like 20, 30 minutes. Something
Did you
like
guys
that.
see a trade?
Nah, yeah, I took one trade just now, but I closed at -4 pips. But like, yo, just go back. Go back like 20 minutes or some shit.
Wow, what happened?
It's like I remember what that one time when Raja mentioned me on the streams. That one time. But it just happened again. But this time, I guess there's more trolls this time.
Oh, what? Oh, okay.
That was funny though. -4 pips. Hey guys, but yes, let's just say, did Raja take that trade? I don't think so. Actually, did he? I don't think he did. I don't think he did. I don't think he did. No, he didn't. Yeah, he didn't. He marked his support on a different time from here. He marked his support down here or something, I think. I don't know what he did. I marked it here because oh, don't forget the timestamp. Correct. Yeah, but yeah, see how now that we're breaking that 15-minute highs here and we're approaching the 30-minute high. You guys see how we just saved ourselves 4 pips here on this trade? So instead of losing 8 pips, we lost 4 pips. That's how you stay in the game long term. Yes, he did. No, I didn't take his L's, bro. Quit capping, bro.
Go back 20 minutes on Roger's stream or on
My
your
stream, my stream.
Man was dodging bullets like it was a Matrix.
Who?
No, I'm saying you're dodging bullets like it's the Matrix.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like from the comments.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't even reading them. I wasn't even reading them. People were just, yeah, like, I was looking back at this. I'm gonna read right now, but like I wasn't reading earlier.
All you heard was whoa, 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 whoa. I'm like, what?
I'm like, no, cause she just jumped and we got a bunch of round people. I'm like, yo, who are these guys? You know, like,
Really?
it's too early for this, bro.
Wait, did you start the stream at 6:30 today or 7?
7.
7, right?
Yeah, I started late, bro. But you missed it. I wish Jimmy was on the streams, man. I really wish this guy was on the streams. Man, it's whatever. Hey guys, this 15-minute counter here actually closed bullish here. We actually closed bullish here. So the 1 hour is about to open up in 15 minutes here. So we might as well wait for that. But like now that we're closing bullish, I would have been out of the trade either way. So I think since this candle closed bullish here, once this candle breaks the lows of that candle, we have a very high chance of coming further down here, the support down. Because now what it means that we're breaking structure, we're breaking the lows here, right? So if we're breaking the lows and breaking structure, we have nowhere else to go but down to the next support. Looking for trades here. But I'm just gonna wait for the hourly to see how it closes here, because the hourly has to close bearish for us to drive down. The next candle to drive down here. The next hourly candle is also the New York Open, right? So we're gonna get a lot of volume that's gonna come in here in 15 minutes.
What, people were just saying that like you copy Rogers' trades?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
You were saying I'm a student of him. Guys, I never paid for his shit. Never ever paid for his stuff. Looks like we're breaking the lows here. The last 15-minute counter here. Minute candle broke the low, bearish 15. I don't know, man. He didn't put any sells up. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. See, we put timestamps here. By the way, I forgot to put a timestamp. What time did I take the trade at? I think I took it at yeah, I took the trade at. Bro, this is the most dislike we had in stream. We had 12 dislikes today. I guess I wonder where they're coming from. Trader's taking that.
Bear viewers. Oh shit.
116. Yeah.
What? 116 is a lot, no?
Yeah, but like we like last week we averaged like I think one time like a good 140, 150.
Oh really? Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
I think you missed it. 337, 36. Seven thirty-three. That's around.
Adrian had 740, 741.
I exited. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
enter.
No, I entered at 7:33.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. First taken. Yeah, so now we're breaking the 15-minute lows here. On this candle. But as I said, I'm waiting for the hourly candle to close here. See how we close here. 30-minute we actually respected the 30-minute high here. We didn't break the 30-minute high, so let's see. Very high chance to come down here. If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like. Let's get those likes up, guys. Man, I started my stream late today too, bro. I think I gave like 5 ads earlier. Oh man. Because if you guys are looking at GJ right here, you guys see how the 15-minute broke the lows here? If you guys look at this is a key area here. Because these areas, this is like range, right? But if we're breaking the lows here, all you gotta do is look left on GJ. Look left. And you have like, if I were to drag it all the way across in that range until the low was broken, what do you have below here? You have nothing but clean traffic here. Below here, you have nothing but clean traffic. See, this is all traffic. But now we're breaking the lows down here, clean traffic. Because we're entering this range here. We're entering this range over here. This range right here. We're entering a new range, meaning that we're gonna come down to the next support, which is down here. This is why I'm saying clean traffic, because we have clean traffic coming down off of these candles right here. Because every time price comes back into range here, it came down to fill the range. So this is the move I'm expecting here on GJ. The same mirror on the other side. But I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle close. This is hope that this last 15-minute candle doesn't drive down on the way though, because then we can't enter a trade. But it looks like we're gonna come down on this candle here. But yeah, if you have 6 sells here, enjoy them, because get ready for a waterfall coming down to the support. Live breakdown as it happened. Where's my waterfall emoji? There it is. Let's see, if we were entered. Ooh, we've been 10 pips there. Yeah, yo, yes, it was trade. Robert, anyone in streams?
No, I didn't jump on it.
Yeah, stop's kind of big.
Well, once it broke the 15-minute low.
Yeah. Think about like the trades like this. Like you can move stops to entry, as it breaks these lows. But the only thing is like your entry is at the middle of a candle, right? So yeah, it has
Yeah, I'm like entering in the middle of a candle. Yeah.
it has a higher chance of hitting your entry if you move your stops, or you can let the trade run. But like it's just makes sense either way. Are you in a sell trade? No, I am not, man. I'm waiting for the 1 hour candle here. But I'm probably gonna give a trade another chance, cause I think like if you want to drive down here, what I'm hoping for right now is for this 1 hour candle to leave a nice wick. So a wick coming down like this. Like something like this, right? Or maybe a smaller body, something like this. Because what happened is that'll mean that the 15's gonna close bullish, maybe the 5 minutes gonna close bullish, and we're gonna come up to make a resistance here for this wick to come down and fill it like this, This is in your mind like cloud. It's a waterfall, bro. Man, people can't really see it. Is it that? Like, do I need to change my waterfall? One time someone was like, I thought it was something on my screen. On their screen. I'm in cells. Nice, bro. Yeah, cells make sense here. They make perfect sense here. If I didn't take my first trade, I maybe would have attempted a sell as it broke the 15-minute lows here. But since I took my first trade, I'm gonna be a bit more patient with this trade. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour closer. The hour close, and I hope it makes a very nice wick fill candle. Very nice candle to drive down. So maybe I want to close like maybe up here at 139, 148. That'll be perfect. The thing about these trades is that stops are very small. These there's not a lot of volume in these candles, so I mean there's a lot of volume, but there isn't much pips within these candles, so your stops are a bit smaller, which is a good thing. Go by soon. Day candles breaking. Yeah, I'll say I did mention like we never broke in this range yet. From 150 yet. I mentioned buys from like in this range here because you have this range here looking left on gold. So I'll say like well yeah, once we break in this range, we have a very high chance of continuing up. Because the move we're trying to catch here on gold is from 1955 to 1974, right? In this range. Look left. You have this ranger, and you have one clear traffic candle here. And this part of the candle right here will be your bread and butter right there. Very high chance of us coming up to fill the ranger as we break back in this range. So I'll say buys. If you want to be safe, wait for buys above the day candle high, because day candle high, yes, on Friday closed bearish. I'm guessing yeah, it closed bearish, right? So if you were to break the highs, we have a very high chance of 1975. And then once you break that resistance at 1975, very high chance of coming back up to retest 2030, 2020 levels. This is looking at the day time frame, because then you have this clear traffic candle. Look, clear traffic. So nothing but clear traffic in that range. Yeah, gold buys are very clean.
somebody needs to mute their mic.
Who's mic?
You don't hear that?
I don't know. The music's playing over me right now.
Oh, I can't even hear the music.
Oh, that's
Oh,
why.
it's probably soft. It's probably soft.
No, you should. I just fixed it. Oh, 1 hour closure, guys. Yeah, 1 hour close. Yeah, obviously, if you want to enter now, our stops are very big. We do have a very, very high chance coming down to the support, but it's the only thing is that your stops have to be up here, right? So that's why I wanted to kind of make a bigger wick here, so we have a smaller stops. But it closed stronger of a bearish candle, meaning that your stops are gonna have to be above this high, and that's gonna be a negative risk to reward. So there's no trade here for me. No trade here. As have a chance that this candle has coming down, it's just negative risk to reward, right? So I'm not gonna take a trade that's negative RR. Doesn't make any sense. But you know, sells were called today. Sells were called. I mean, if we had our first entry, that'd be different. If we had our first entry, you know, I think we would have run risk-free. Would have been like 12 pips profit here. It's been a risk-free trade. But entering now is different. Is a different story. Your stock's gonna have to be up here. Yeah, man, day candle. Look at the day candle. Like this day candle just tells you, because like thing is like this day candle right here, it could be creating a lower way for the weekly to go up. Cause the weekly is still bullish, right? Because technically, until you break like 138.092, the weekly low, we're technically still bullish to go up to the next targets. Because I'm expecting like it's like same thing as gold. You know, we have this little range here on GJ, right here, this range from here to here. I'm expecting us once we break above like 139, like around above these levels, 140. We're gonna pop up to like 141 levels, which is up here, because you have this one clear trap kind of right there. So, yeah, we're coming back in the range here, and you have this one kind of right here. Same thing for gold. I just same exact analysis pretty much. So yeah, buys will be for GJ above here over after the week. So I'm guessing like once this weekly kind of flips bullish, and it doesn't, if it survives the low here and it flips bullish, very high chance we just continue up for the rest of the week. This week.
Yeah, I think this could come, like GJ could come down to 138.700.
Yeah.
But if it breaks, like if we get candle closures like below 138.700, then the bias would completely change.
Yeah.
So maybe closing back in the daily range.
The daily looks so clean. Daily's the cleanest time from here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like Tuesday, Wednesday, you could get buys in if you close bearish today, you know. There's very high chance you close bearish here. We're gonna have like 8 hours left within the day here, and this candle looking hella bearish. I don't expect this candle to close bullish here. I'll be surprised if this candle closes bullish. It has to go up. It has to go up like another 4 or 5 pips here. Hi everyone. Anyone answer me? What's up, bro? And people come here thinking, you know, I really look up to Roger streams. Like, like me as a streamer, bro. I don't look up to other Forex trader streams, bro, at all. You know who I look up to? I look up to these guys over here. these ones that I follow here, Nick Merckx, you know, Symphony, Husker, like the gamer streamers, because I feel like their streams are just way like probably like one day I'm a face cam very soon, but like I look up to these streams here. I don't look up to, like I'm not gonna say look up to like another Forex trader streams. Like, you know, if you guys know me, you guys know that I'm more of a lot more I guess what's that word? You play Fall Guys? No, I got it yesterday, bro. You know what? One day in the streams here, I'm gonna start playing Fall Guys here on the streams. You Sam, you have Fall Guys, bro?
Yeah.
You play it yet? It's hella hard, bro. It's hella hard.
I haven't won yet.
Yeah, it's fucking hard, bro. It's harder than like Warzone. It's like super hard. It takes people like it
So
is,
tired.
bro. Come first place then. It takes people weeks
Yeah,
to
it's
come
hard to
first.
come
Like,
it's hard to come first.
yeah, like it's hard to win the whole thing.
My boy like came first on like his first like
No, like
it's
first.
like his like 5th time playing.
No, like first, like win like five of the games, like win all of them. How sentimental analysis works in the forex market? That's pretty much fundamentals and technical analysis combined, bro. It's like majority of times your technical analysis will line with your fundamental analysis. Majority of times. And we've seen it on the streams multiple times. We've seen when we trade NLP. We've seen when we trade like a bunch of other pairs. Like, there are times where the technical analysis just lines perfectly with the fundamentals, and then as the news comes out, it just goes with the technicals. Because let's say pre-market was printing bullish. Pound news comes out at 7 a.m. Rate cuts, boom, whatever. They come out positive, right? So then the pound just keeps going up, and you know, and then there's the argument that, oh, technicals follow fundamentals follow technicals. Like, I believe in both. It's just I'm more of a technical analysis than a fundamental analysis. Like, obviously, what?
How would fundamentals follow technicals? I mean, I guess like.
Because like
Yeah,
majority of
how would
times, like,
fundamentals follow technicals.
like I'm not gonna say it follows technicals. It's just saying some majority of times they line together. Like,
Yeah.
you see how.
Because like you
Yeah.
use technicals to like find your entries for like
Yeah.
for like with like a bullish run or whatever, but like that's all like based off of fundamentals.
No, there are people out there that just genuinely say that fundamentals follow technicals.
Well, how does that make any sense though? Because like fundamentals are based on like what's happening in the world.
Like,
So,
I'm
like,
not,
no matter
yeah,
what,
yeah, exactly.
No matter what, they're gonna affect the currency. So like,
Yeah, but then there are people out there that just say,
how
like,
would that?
people
How
out
would it
there,
follow to the chip?
people out there really say that fundamentals just follow with technicals, because I don't know what the argument is, because I heard it multiple times, and there's a whole argument about it. There's a whole argument. So I don't know. I'm not saying that's what it is. I'm just saying, like, I agree. I don't agree that fundamentals follow technicals, right? But what I agree with is I agree that technicals usually line up with the fundamentals. Free market news or whatever. Like, for example, like, let's say last NFP. Yo, whose mic is that? Yeah, so last NFP, I think, no, the NFP before last NFP, we actually had, pre-market, it was actually bullish, and then we decided to take buy stops above a current high, right? And once we broke the high, once news came up, we broke the high and we shot up, because news came up positive as well. And it's just, like, majority of times they just, obviously technicals follow now, fundamentals. There's other time probably, I think it was the oil. It was like back in like December. Before that, it was the oil when US shopped oil tanks. No, when US it was exactly when the missile strikes happened. Whenever that happened, right? So I think I mentioned gold buys because I saw for technicals it was printing gold buys, and obviously the fundamentals you can't predict that. You obviously can't predict unexpected news, right? So when a rocket missile was fired, it came at a random time. But before that happened, the tentacles were printing bullish. Gold was bullish. Gold was printing bullish momentum, breaking highs, all this. So then I called buys off tentacles, and then all of a sudden 5 minutes later, boom, news drops. Gold just shot up, and it's pretty crazy. But yeah, pretty crazy. This is some yin yang drama. The way the market, these guys bumped each other. Technical fundamentals. Yeah, bro. I don't know. People, there's a lot like everything in Forex, but there's always an argument about something. Like, cause people like a lot of things. The issue is like people think there's only one way to trade. There's only one way to success. You know, you have to do this. You can't use this. You can't use this. Like, I don't know. You can use whatever you want to use. But then there's people out here that just like, I guess like people in the Forex market, they're too distracted by the drama. They get too caught in it and they're not really focused on trading. And you can just tell, like people this morning came to the streams, just trolling. You can just tell they come here they just love drama, like these. They're not really trading, bro. To trade, they're trading just to add fuel to the fire. Start drama, and put stuff on their name. You know, use clout. You know, all this, so is what it is. We got news today? I didn't check. We got no news today. Cool. Tuesday. No news. Wednesday. We got this. OPEC meetings. Oh, this is minor news. I'm looking at major news, right? Let me actually.
Yeah, it's kind of light. It's kind of light until Friday, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, this whole week, yeah, we have this Euro news on Friday. But yeah, retail sales on, yeah, that's it. Not much. What's the second week of July, August? Yeah, third week of August. This should be a very good week. Second and third weeks of the month are the best weeks to trade. This week, yen is strong. Yeah. Makes sense for GG coming down. Or no? 15 minutes about closer. Yo, Sam, you know earlier?
What?
You know earlier they mentioned the gulag, right? And I was like, yo, do you guys even know where the gulag came from? It came from Warzone, majority of it. Majority of people here. And then I'm like, yo, how do you guys not mention the gulag when Raja has a lower KD than me in Warzone? Oh man. I was like, Raja has a
Yo, does your mic keep on going on mute?
No, bro. I was like, okay, I was like,
What's that?
you hear me fine? Is the mic okay?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, Raja has a lower KD, bro. Raja has a 0.30 KD in Warzone. I got a high KD in him, so you can't really mention the gulag here.
Facts.
Cause they're mentioned, everyone just mentioned the gulag over there. They came here. If you go up in the chat, you'll see spamming gulag.
Yeah. Period. Roger Play doesn't even have a W in Warzone.
Dollar is just hanging. Any thoughts? What do you mean by hanging? Do you mean like it's come down? Yeah. Yeah, gold's going up here. We're breaking above 1955. So yeah, we have a very high chance of pushing up here. Next target for gold, guys, is 1975. Day time frame. I did my analysis earlier, right? So you guys know why I said this. I broke gold down as I did. You guys know why I said 1975. Look left, clean. And if 1975 breaks, guys, we're gonna go back up to 1923, 1924-ish. So you know. See what happens here. $15 close here. Yeah, I took one trade today, guys. Took one trade today, 94 pips. Was gonna attempt the second trader. Took sells, right? Was gonna take a second trader, but the hourly candle closed with such a big body, so I didn't want to have a big stops. I didn't want to have a 15 pip stop, so I didn't take this. I didn't take a sell here, and also because it would have been a negative risk to reward, right? But you guys see how we're approaching this target here. So sells are broken down all morning today. I'll say the last chance to take sells that was probably gonna be below. Once we broke below the 15-minute counter here. Once we broke below that structure. If you want like a 6 pip stop, I took another sell here. Yeah, gold buys are so clean. Um, as I can. Manage. Manage risk accordingly. Oh, cool. Looks like GJ is approaching this target, guys. If you guys took sells today in the streams, leave a like. You know, if you guys took sells, I woke up late today, but you know, kind of missed this move here, but it's alright. We'll be back at normal time tomorrow. But yeah, approaching this target here, guys. 138, 946, 946. Buys above 975 for gold. Whoa, no. That's the target for gold, man. That's the target. Because we have a very high chance of approaching that target once you break above. Well, we're breaking to the range here, right? So look left. I broke it down earlier. I'll break it down again though. Look left. You have this candle, clear traffic, and this range here. So yeah, we're breaking back into this area here. So we have a very high chance of coming up to fill the area. So yeah, buys will be in this range here, right here, until 1975. And once we break above 1975, we're gonna go further up to 2030 and so forth. But yeah, but you can't focus on this yet because this didn't happen yet. What you gotta focus on is this level right here, these buys right here in this range. This is your focus right now. So 1975, and once you get to 1975, we can speak after on like where it wants to go after. But yeah. You use small losses on gold and GJ. I don't really trade gold anymore, bro. I used to trade gold. Before when I did, I think it was averaging like 3-4 lots, something like that on gold. But back then when I traded gold wasn't as volatile. Gold was like your stocks were like 10 pips, so it was like kind of normal. But now, yeah, if I were to trade gold now, my lots would be much smaller than my usual lots for GJ or anything repair. Because your minimum stop for gold is like minimum is gonna be like 20 pips now on every candle, right? So yeah, your stop's gonna be much smaller if you're trying to trade gold here. I mean your lots. But I haven't traded gold since the spread, bro. Since the spread came up in like March, before March. I was trading gold like my whole life until March. Yeah, and then after that I kind of just took it easy on gold, didn't touch it, didn't trade it. Stopped trading US30 as well, and then just focused on GJ ever since. And now all my trades are just GJ. Because when gold's back to normal now, the spreads are back to normal. But there's no point in me trading gold if I'm just trading GJ every day. So like I just focus on one pair. Can we have 138.71 on GJ today? Yeah, we can if you break below this support here. Once that support breaks, you have a very high chance of coming down to this support. So if you look left after that, you have this, right? You have the area, you have this clean traffic, you have this, you have this. So below this support, you have that whole move to catch. Oh man, Roger. You know, that's all you guys talk about, you know. Start going, yo, bro. Bro, do you know how high the spreads were in March? Yo, you know what? I'm not gonna speak on it, bro. I'm not gonna speak. Yo, Jimmy, you're there, bro. I see you removing messages, bro. Join a Zoom call, bro. Oh my god. I don't care if your mic's loud, bro. Just join it. Bro, man, this guy just said, so we start trading gold when Roger start trading gold, man. The
Still
spreads went up to
trolling.
like 50 pips in March, bro. What do you expect? You want me to trade gold 50 pip spread? When I'm trying to catch 10 pips in Dipper?
Yeah, it was super high.
What can't... Oh my
Like
goodness.
like eight, 9 pips.
Jimmy, you missed it all, bro. Jimmy, bro, hop on the Zoom site, bro, please. Please.
Please.
No Wi-Fi, sir. Damn, that's tough. I mean, yo, it don't take much to go on Zoom, you know. On your phone, bro. Jimmy, you missed all the action earlier, man. All the action. Oh, so funny. It would have been funnier if you were here, bro. Oh, there he is. He's on Zoom now. Oh, man. Yo.
I'm finna get your pistol grip chin ass, dick sucking ass, hating ass, weirdos, fake accounts.
Yo.
Goddamn, hopping on another person that's damn near just turned 20. Trying to talk
Whoa,
down.
whoa, just turned
Yeah, I
21,
can't.
bro.
Wait, I'm tripping. What?
I'm turning 21, not turning 20.
No, I said you just turned 20.
Oh, just turned 20, yeah.
Yeah. Y'all done hopped on a young person that's trying to help the Forex community talk down. Y'all fucking weird, man.
You know the crazy
I
part is,
wake up
bro?
in my
A lot of them are old grown men too. Grown
Yeah,
men.
Grown ass man.
Man.
Or, oh man, that's a damn shame. Grown ass man.
You missed it
2,
earlier.
3
Did you see it? Did you go back?
kids. I read the comments.
Bro, you should went back. Oh my god.
Wait, what happened?
I don't even know what happened. I don't know
Wait,
what
What's the
happened.
whole situation?
I don't know what happened on the other guy's stream. I don't know. I think he was joking or some shit. I don't know what happened. Someone said he was joking probably, but and then what happened after was a lot of those guys started coming onto my streams. Because I think Roger mentioned my names or some shit, HRFX, and then a lot of them just started coming onto the stream. And yeah.
What do we do? What do we do?
Man, I should have been there, bro. Man, you had no Wi-Fi for the whole week?
No, not the whole week, just for like 2-3 days, cause they're redoing the whole upstairs floor,
Damn.
and then like I gotta unplug the thing so they won't fuck it up. Damn, bro, this shit suck. It's whatever, bro.
No Wi-Fi. I will kill myself, bro. I can't do it. No trading
Hell
for 3
no.
days. Can't do
I'm
it.
reading fucking books right now, bro. That's how bored I am.
You can't.
That's fine.
Can't
I like reading books.
Can't
I
you
like
be
reading
like?
books, man.
Oh wait, no, you can't. Yo, get Fall Guys, bro.
Shit.
Telling you, bro, it's gonna be funny. Be fun. Me and Sam can run it.
Shit.
But hey,
Soon.
bro, you caught cells today?
Yeah, I don't care what no one says. That shit fun as fuck.
What books you reading? Forex trading books or what?
Huh?
Trading books or just like regular books?
Oh, this psychology books.
Oh. Yeah. Man, GG subs are so clean. I started the stream late today, bro. First of all, I started the stream late today, bro. I commented the streams chilling, whatever, you know, good solid like 50 viewers, whatever. 10 minutes later. Boom! Gulag! 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 I'm like, whoa, what's happening? You know?
Yo, where'd you take those cells?
He
Me?
made the gulag.
Me?
Yeah.
I took the cells, I think I closed earlier actually. I took the 30-minute. I took a cell right here on this 30-minute candle. This one. I moved my stops to the 50-minute highs instead of leaving my original stops. And I closed out early at -4 pips. And then what I did after was I wait for the hourly close. I never done. The hourly close too big of a bearish candle, so I couldn't enter cells.
Sure.
But yeah, it was clean though. If I kept my original stops, it would have been fine. But that's what it is. Man. That was funny.
So weird.
Bro, I haven't touched a charge since Friday. This is our first time today when I hopped on this morning.
Mhm. Oh yeah, Red. JPY is falling.
Yen's
That's fine.
weak?
Yeah, yen's weak. They said.
Really?
Yeah, news came out like I think last night.
How come the yen's calmed down here? I mean, the yen's going up.
Yeah. Nah, they said the yen's going down. They said the economy doing really, really bad.
Yeah, it's been like that for like a couple months.
I think the pounds is carrying right now then for GJ.
Yeah, the pound's carrying it, but DJ just keep dropping because AMs came out super, super bad.
Damn. It's a dead week this week though. We have no news. Oh yeah, Japan sees worst GDP contraction in 40 years.
Yeah.
Let's see. Quarter. For years, but this is like. Oh no, they're talking about April or June, no? April or June quarter.
No, yeah, that's GJ was the yen was weak for like I don't know the past like it's been weak for the past like 3 months or so.
Yeah. I think it's picking up. It's getting better now though. The yen's getting stronger.
I think it might be getting better now.
Yeah,
or
'cause
like,
that's a-
like at least like not as bad.
Yeah, I think they're talking about the past there, April or June. Yeah, I think it might be picking up here. That's why you see well, last week it was. I don't know about this week. Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah. Right now the yen's pretty strong here today.
But if you look up all the news on Google, it's all bad. It's all like pretty bad for Japan.
Yeah.
Japan's economy in deep hole after second quarter plunge. Japan's economy contracts 7.8% worst decline on record. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. GJ could still be bullish, so
Yeah.
I think it is probably still bullish.
So what was like said that made everyone just jump in?
I don't know what exactly. I didn't know. I didn't go back to the streams or anything, but like, yeah, you copying his trades, this and that. I had to pull up last week's streams, show them that I did not really copy trades, and then I don't even know, bro. I don't know what exactly it was. I have no clue, bro, but it was fun. It was funny. I played like 50 ads during that time. Pound was very week before. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like if you guys looking for sells, guys, I think you guys gonna have to wait for like 9, 10, 11-ish, like, because it's gonna take maybe a couple hours to form support here. I mean, unless it breaks right away, but yeah, it might. If this support holds, or if you create a support down here, it might take a couple more 30-minute, a couple more candles here, so it might take to like 10, 11-ish. After we could probably drop late, around 10-ish, 11. But yeah, if you guys are looking for sells for pre-New York to New York Open, that would have been this whole move down here. Now we might struggle a little bit for a little bit, might range for a little bit, but after that, after we break below the support here, we just clean sells again. But yeah, my trading day is over at 9 anyways, right? So I'm not gonna look for sells or anything after the stream ends. Ooh, gold pushing up here. Yeah, guys. 1975 today on gold. Today. Somebody sent a chart. PUBG World Mobile. Bro, you play PUBG, bro? You still play PUBG? I swear that game's dead. Let me look at this chart. Got you, bro. You're looking for buys here. Nice. Oh no, you're looking for sells here. Interesting. I mean, if it makes sense for you. I mean, for me personally, I wouldn't really take it. The reason being is because you have like, I guess you have a sell limit here, right? So like, it's like, if look at this. Just look at this. What do you have down here? What is this movement called? Bullish, right? So if this is bullish, you're trying to catch a sell here, I guess, because it's at resistance here. You see resistance here at these levels here. But why don't you just wait until we actually close bearish at this resistance to come down? Like maybe you can wait for like this, you know, we're obviously gonna come up to that target, right? So why don't you just like, so candles come up to here, why don't you just wait for like a bearish candle closure? Like here. Bearish candle closes there, boom. You take a sell here, coming down to like maybe this support. Or like, you know, coming back down to this support down here. But like, why would you want to put stress on yourself and put all that pressure? Try and catch a trend reversal here. You know. Alright, why don't you just wait for candles to close up here to see how it looks after. Take sells down here. I don't know, it's just like, it's a bit more risky doing this. A lot more risky. I mean, if it makes sense for you, it makes sense. I'm not gonna, you know, be here and tell you what to do, not to do. But it's just like my perspective of it. I feel like it would be much safer if you just wait for a bearish candle closure. You have a better chance. Like, think about it. Like, let's say you take 100 trades. 100 trades you take, and you have sell limits. You know, like this, for example. And then there's another 100 trades where you take and you actually enter sells after a candle closes bearish. You see, the candles closing bearish will obviously have a way higher chance of playing out than if you're just entering this. Like, out of 100 times, like in long term, right? Out of like whatever X amount of times, the chance when you enter a trade off of a candle closing in your favor, you have a way better chance of that trade playing out. So why don't you just wait for a candle to close in your favor and enter a trade after? Is it because, you know, then this is where people think, oh, but that's because then I'll miss a certain amount of pips. You're not missing any pips, man. You're just giving yourself a safer entry, and you know, I think people enter sell limits and sell stops with small stops because I feel like they have, like, I guess, like FOMO or something over a move. For example, they missed the buys, they have a sell limit here, trying to catch all the way back down because they want to catch those exact amount of pips again. That's what a lot of people do. I mean, your TP is only here though. I mean, it's fine. I mean, the TP makes sense. You have your target at like this support here, off of these candles here. That makes perfect sense. So the TP makes sense. It's just, I'll stay away a little bit. Ooh, GJ. Yeah, guys. We actually caught a signal here on I mean gold, not GJ. Gold. We actually caught a signal here around 1958, around these levels. Called buys here for the group. Had a much bigger stop than usual. Told them to manage their risk because these stops are actually a lot bigger. Our VIP stops are usually like 10, 15 pips on GJ. But yeah, this stop loss is like 50 pips here, but we're coming up here. I think stops are moved to entry here on GJ. I mean, gold making a risk-free trade. Gold is 40 plus pips and profit. Entry. I'm not in this trade though. This is a trade I called for the VIP group here. Because I don't really trade gold like this. Okay, gold trade called. Gold buys plus breakdown. Signal called and VIP from 1958 to 9. Should stay in trade. I mean, 10 pips, that's fine, bro. That's fine, bro. You don't have to, leave like as much as high as you see a target going. I mean, I would have done the same. I would have closed half maybe at 10 pips let the runner go. But yeah, as big as you see a target going or whatever, like at the end of the day, as long as you're disciplined and that makes you happy, or you're comfortable with taking those 10 pips, that's all that matters. You ain't gotta catch a full move, because it's impossible for someone to catch a full move. Because like even if you do catch a buy, maybe tomorrow we'll come to 2030. Like you have more buyers tomorrow once you close bullish today. So think of it that way. You always have tomorrow. 10 pips is good, bro. If you're able to close at 10 pips and be disciplined with it, bro, you're on track. You're on the right track, bro. That's all that matters. Like I think it was Friday, right? Or Thursday. I forgot what day. I caught like 10 pips on GJ. And then I called sells after or buys after on GJ for like 30 pips. I gave a signal, but I didn't take it because I took that one trade for a day and I was comfortable with it. And yeah, GG, I ended up going for another like 20, 30 pips. I would have caught, but I was fine not catching it. I was perfectly fine. Hey guys, this signal was called in the VIP group. It was a signal that gave stops our entry, and leaving a runner. If you have to go by today off of my analysis, leave a like in the stream because I know you guys know where I mentioned it. I broke down. Let me timestamp it actually. If you guys know the timestamp, let me know. But let me just look for it real quick. No, I can't get in the stream because of my vacation service. Pretty much tapped it. Yeah, she said you don't trade gold, lol. Man, people don't listen, man. Guys, chat. How many times did I just say that I did not take this trade? Oh man. How many times I said it's like 20, 30 times that I did not take this trade here. And people still ask the same question, man. You gotta pay attention to detail, bro. You gotta really pay attention to detail. This is a VIP signal, man. VIP signal here that we gave. Close half, stops at entry already, so very secure profits here. It's just a risk-free trade now. Man, people don't listen, man. Let me make that put there so I'll make it clear for you guys. Alright. I'm still going on staying disciplined is hard when your money is blue. Yeah, it is hard. That's why you gotta make it a habit, man. You gotta start closing half. You don't have to close a full position, but if you can just close half at a certain amount of pips, wherever you want, and do that every day, it's gonna create a good routine, a good habit. Because you're always gonna secure profits, and then eventually you're gonna be able to close full at 10 pips and be okay with it. Cause it's hard, bro. It's really hard. But you just gotta understand that there's always tomorrow, man. 55 likes. Let's get it, guys. Good shit. I'm sorry to say, as I'm not a VIP, but I've taken a trade, so what can I do? If you took a trade where I mentioned, it was above. I gave the signal around 1958. I mean, from 1958, what we did was we actually closed half here at 40 pips as a tap this resistance level, and we move our stops to entry as well, right? So, yeah, it's just a risk-free trade now. We have a runner going to the TP. So right now, you can just sit back, relax. It goes either way. It goes to TP, or it goes to entry. Either one. Man, yeah, GG guys. There's no more trade, guys. If you guys are watching this, I'll say wait. If you guys looking for trades, if you guys woke up late, whatever, we're looking for trades right now, I'll say maybe just wait for GJ here to break these lows here, below the support, and then you can start looking for sells after 138, 946. Below that, look for sells coming down to the support here. That'll be your trade for the day, right? That'll make probably the most logical sell you can probably take here, because right here it's just kind of choppy now, right? We're entering this range here where we tapped it, right? So what could happen now is could range for a little bit in this range. Could range, press some candles here, just range. Don't get faked out by it. And then what could happen after is you can just wait for that support to be broken, to be made. So let's say it's right there, and then once the candle closes below that support, you can take a sell coming down to the next support down here, and that would be your most logical sell, right? Because what could happen here is we could actually just like come up bullish here. Let's say this candle closes this day, the next candle comes up. We're probably gonna retest the highs here, these highs right here, this resistance, and then we're gonna probably create a range, right, like this, and then this would be your range. So now you have a range from this resistance to this support, like this. So what you gotta do after, actually this resistance to this support. So what you do after that is it's easy after that. You can take buys above here, coming up to this target, and then you can take sells once price breaks below here. But you gotta wait to see what side breaks out, right? So you guys are getting used to this. You can't just be entering buys or sells, buys or sells. You gotta wait for things to set up. Earlier we had the same setup. We had a range here, boom, range. Break up to the downside, boom, sells. That's your move. What happened after? We broke below the support, boom, sells down to the support. Same thing. If you break below the support, sells come down to the support. But just understand that this is pre-market, so that's why price broke this level easy. This is a New York candle opening. We broke this level easily. But if you look at that right now, it's gonna be a lot harder because now it's 9 a.m. So we're just gonna be creating a range here probably to come down later on. So it's not gonna be as easy as one big candle coming down, right? You gotta understand what time the market moves. So keep that in mind if you guys are looking for sells today. Someone's in a chart, nice. This is GJ, 15 minute. Are you taking a buy here? Nice. I mean, bro, when you send a chart, bro, make sure you label it too, because I don't know what you're looking for at all. So make sure you just send like some labels so I can read it better, understand your trade better. Maybe point out where your support is, why you're entering a trade, why is that your target, why is that your stop loss, you know, stuff like that. So it's just that everyone else learns as well, because if you're just sending a chart with like just risk to reward on it, it's just not gonna do anything for anyone. What was your bias on GG this week? I explained it earlier. I'll say it again though. This candle right here did close bullish. Last week candle did close bullish. I'm expecting buys above these levels to this target for a week, right? But if this, because right now we're making a lower wick adjusting, but if this weekly candle right here breaks the low of last week, we're probably gonna come down for the rest of the week. So we gotta see. Maybe tomorrow we'll have a better view of it, a better view. But I'm more on the bullish side than the bear side, because the last week's candle did close bullish, right? So yeah, I'm waiting for buys above here. But yeah, sells will be below here. But until then, I guess I'm bullish. Bullish is my bias for the week. Yeah.
Holy shit, bro.
Go hit entry here, guys. On the trade I sent in VIP. So that's why you do. You guys see how as much as I seen the target going up, I was still able to close half here, do whatever, because look left, there's resistance there, right? So this is what I mean by advantage. You have this whole advantage here going up. You have this whole move going up. Boom. The day target is up here, obviously, but now you have these levels where you gotta worry about. So instead of worrying about these levels, use it to your advantage. Use it to move stops to entry. Use it to close half at. So yeah, that's how you manage your trades to the T, guys. Robert. Later, Robert. Catch you later, bro. Wait, what happened, Sam? You came in here talking.
Bro, taking GJ was at like 200 in like 2009.
Here was? Bro, you're
Yeah, it was like
backtesting deep. Oh shit, it was.
Yeah.
Holy shit, I never realized that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
and
was at,
after the recession happened, and then came all the way back down.
That's crazy.
Cause I think the dollar went down, so people this is a safe haven, right? I mean, I should know. Yeah, dollar went down. The safe haven, the yen's a safe haven, I'm guessing when the recession happened, the yen just crashed as well with the dollar.
Oh, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like 2008. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then it retested. I mean, well, it came back up to like, yeah, it retested this area around like 200. And when was this? 2015, August 2015. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Recession came and brought down. Damn, you backtested far. I actually never checked DJ that far before. Weekly.
But yeah,
I checked gold and stuff,
that.
but I never went back for DJ, honestly. Yo, you guys doing great. Good job. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate all the love and support to you guys. If you guys join the stream, if you're just new here, leave a like on the stream. Subscribe if you haven't. We've been streaming since March, and we are about to hit 2K subscribers here. Averaging about 70 viewers on the streams every day, so pretty lit. Hey, bro, we can retest 200 again, bro. Let's check the monthly. How's that look? Let's check. I mean, hey guys, if you look at the monthly time frame,
Monthly looks good.
we're actually pushing back into the range here. We have this range here, this resistance here, and this candle right here is actually pushing back in the range. So next target for GJ is gonna be 144. Like, that's an obvious target. It's just now, the question now is how we're gonna get there and when. Might be this week, might be next week, might be this month. Let's see. But we are pushing back up here. We will tap 144 again. We will tap. So look at GJ. You have this one huge candle here on the monthly time frame. You know, we're probably gonna get a same mirror candle on the other side right here. Mirror that exact resistance here. Should be clean. Yo, Addy and Nifty. Yo, you guys finished the course yet, bro? Forgot to ask you guys last week. Oh, having mic issues? Sorry, bro. Yes, yeah, GG is pushing up here to tap this resistance level. This is what we mentioned here. We're pushing back up here. We're gonna make a range here. Resistance, support. If this resistance breaks, we're gonna pop further up here. But as long as this resistance holds, we should be able to make a range here, coming back down, and we're gonna range a little bit, and then all you gotta do after is wait for a breakout, right? Exactly as I mentioned. But you guys see how I'm not entering off of this candle here. I'm not entering buys to enter to right here to make the range, because it's very risky. It's not a trade I'll take. I'm gonna wait for the range to actually form and then take the trade after. But predicting the next, range here is kind of, it's not a high probability trade. It makes sense for a range too, because if you guys look at the time, it's 9 AM. It's 9 AM, guys. 1 hour candle close bullish here. Nice. Average to medium portion. Nice, bro. Okay, my friend, I'm getting late here. Thanks for streams. I think some pieces of trading are still starting to fall in place after you. Have a good day. Hey, bro, that's the point, bro. That's the point of streams here. So, have a good day, bro. Appreciate it. I appreciate you getting value off today's streams. That's our job here. Well, not our job. That's my goal here. Provide free value, free education here. You guys don't gotta get the course. You guys don't gotta get any signals. You guys can just join the free streams if you guys can't afford anything. If you guys like what you do and want to learn more, then that's when you can start to purchase things, or like purchase the course, purchase the signals, whatever you guys want to do, right? But it's not like I'm not charging you anything for the streams. It's all free here. The only thing I am charging you for the streams is I'm just charging you a like. That's all you gotta do. Leave a like. Help us grow here, because we're going pretty quick here. Pretty quick. I wish like YouTube live streams had something like Twitch where it can give you guys like subscribers, like subs for Twitch. Gets like an emoji. It's kind of cool what they have over there on Twitch. I should use Twitch to stream, but it's alright.
What happens when you're in front?
What is this? Oh no. What did I just click on? What is that?
Gotta get the gold.
I don't know what the fuck I just clicked on. But yeah, man. I mean, the only thing is, like, if I use Twitch to stream, not a lot of people use Twitch. So it's gonna be a lot more difficult. Trade's called 40. I do think this will be a bullish move for the rest of the week. GJ, overall, weekly bullish, I can see that, but until, like, we can't really say anything yet. Until the candle flips bullish here, I can't really say anything. 139, well, if this weekly candle flips bullish, yeah. Before breaking the lows here, yeah. But if this weekly candle breaks the lows here, 138.087, you look for sells for the rest of the week coming down to 135. But overall, we're still bullish. This is a bullish trend we're in. Can you check gold? I just checked it already. Give a breakdown of it already. But, you know, since you guys are coming from there, you guys stream here, I can just tell, because he ended it, I think. Yeah. If you look at gold, your area of focus, guys, should be this level right here. In this range. Look left, you have this range here. Look left again, you have this. Clean traffic candle right there. So, as we're pushing it back into this range here, we have a very high chance of pushing back up to 1974 here. Because your area of focus right here should be this. And after we break above this, you can start looking for buys coming up to this target. But right now your focus should be buys until 1975. This is your focus. Look left. You're coming back into range here. Followed by a clean traffic candle. You have nowhere else to go but up here. Because we don't know if we're going to break 1975 yet. We don't know it yet. But what we know is that we broke 1955 and we're approaching 1975. But until we break 1975, we can't really say we're going to go to 2030 yet. But once you break 2030, then you can say we're going to come up to 2030. Why? Because you have a clean traffic candle right there. Clean traffic candle right there. So that's gold. What entry to re-enter buys? I'm not looking for any buys right here, bro. At all. I won't trade it. Right? I gave one signal for it earlier on streams. I mean, on the in the VIP chats, and that's it. I mean, I think you actually could have answered right here, actually, on the 1 hour candle right here. I didn't see this. This 1 hour candle right here actually left a nice wick fill for you to enter. Right here. Wick fill. So we have this candle right here. What I mean by it has an advantage here. What I mean by that is you can easily come up to fill this wick, and once it fills that wick, move stop to entry, close half at, and let the whole position run until 1975. That's what you can do in this trade. But yeah, the trade I gave, I'm kind of out of it. Hit the entry. Thank you. Appreciate it, bro. Thanks for joining streams, bro. As you guys can see, remember how I said I mentioned GJ coming up to make a range? That's exactly what I did. It came up bullish to tap this resistance, and now you see how we rejected off of it? Because the overall trend on today is bearish, right? That's a huge trend. So we're probably gonna create a range here to maybe come down later on. So looking for sells below here, below 138, not 46, because this is your range now. Your range is from 139, 174 to 139 levels. This whole area is your range. So stay out of this range. Don't look for any trades here, and wait for buys above it and sells below it. That's the best thing to do today. That's the safest thing to do today. If you guys enjoy the streams, if you guys enjoy the breakdowns, leave a like on the stream. Let's hit 60 likes. Damn, 1.2k subscribers, guys. I love and support. I think I'm gonna hop off here, guys. Not looking for much anymore. But hey, this wick has been filled. If you guys want to know more about wick fills, check the last Instagram video right here. But hey, I think I'm gonna hop off here, guys, because I am tired. All right, and then a day with one trade today. -4 pips, called sells, called buys on gold, and that's it. Be back tomorrow with more pips and more trades tomorrow. So, don't overtrade today. Don't over leverage. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Peace. Have a good one, guys.
If it ain't BTO, fuck what you heard.
Bye.